Yes.
Then we have to change the above also. Huh?
Yeah.
Rapid medium into P2. I just think.
Okay, no, I put then FAL also will put the same thing. Correct?
Yes. FAL.
Okay. No problem.
3 and 85. And the 80. 5%
Yeah.
for P1 and 15% for P2 and the 80% for P3.
Yeah.
Is that different?
No problem. So we have considered.
You have to understand the ranking and then we'll try to adjust by reverse.
Yeah, correct.
Actually, we should not overestimate or underestimate.
Yeah.
Actually,
So, see, finally, we need to
Yeah.
check our
Yeah.
percentage.
What I think about to have a realistic analysis.
Yeah.
When the operator sees the criticality rate ranking of the alarm, something related to loss of production or of spec must
Then he
be
needs to react.
not P3. P3.
Yeah.
So what's the high priority?
He needs to react immediately. But then again, we need to see, finally, we need to see our percentage.
Yeah.
At the end of
but we think about from reverse what to be
Yeah.
the criticality.
Correct. And then afterwards, when we need to adjust something.
Yes.
We need to adjust. Okay, I think let's do like that, Chairman.
No problem. So DPH, where is it? This DPH 02?
DPH, okay. This is on the pump side. Pump. Go to the next PNID.
This pump. Pump
Yeah.
strainer.
Pump strainer.
DPH 03. This 02. Okay, 2 pumps are there.
Yeah. So this is one working, one standby. Here we can make it a low priority also because anyway, let's see. Yeah.
This DPH 03 and 02. Where is 02?
02 and 03, right? Can you just see?
Yeah.
02.
We'll take it. No problem. We'll take this one.
03, yeah.
This is why. This is valid. We are saying likely pump damage, potential pump damage.
Potential pump damage.
And this is the connection. Likelihood of cause. This is stainless blockage.
Oh yeah. This is
External blockage.